What's up guys, I hope you have been enjoying and having fun with these Canva tutorials, and Canva has already become very easy for you to use. And in my pursuit to make Canva easier for you and be updated about the latest and the newest changes that Canva keeps coming up with, today in this video we are going to learn about removing the background from videos. Yes, you heard me right. Canva has come up with the latest, the newest feature of being able to remove background from your videos. Yes, it was not possible in Canva, but now it is. As you have already been, possibly you are using the image removal feature, which is a paid one. So if you are on a paid Canva plan, you are already using the image background removal option very frequently. At least I do it a lot, and I know you are also doing it because it makes our life very easy. This video background removal tool is going to be equally superb when we talk of creating videos or social media posts or whatever we are doing. So today let us get started with canva.com like we always do and see how this video removing tool works and how we can be using it for different purposes. So let's get started. This is the Canva board. So jumping over to my Canva screen, we write canva.com as always and see for ourselves what and how does this video background removing tool works and how in different ways or different situations can you be using this. We go on to create a design, and let's say we select the size that is usually of a video. So maybe a YouTube video. Okay, let's keep it like this. Okay, here we have a canvas with the size of a YouTube video like we always have for most of the stuffs that we have. Now we go to uploads to select any of the pre-recorded videos, and these are one of the many videos that I have of myself recorded, and let's select any one small video that I have. Maybe this one. Is this a video? Yeah. So that's a rough video of me. Let's look for something else.
My name is Ovo, and I'm signing out.
Something else that we can be using here. No, okay. So let's use this one. So here's a green background in the video, and we want to remove this. So like if you remember, and if you have used the background remover tool of images, it's pretty much the same. We simply click on the video, go to edit video, and you see over here on the left we have this background remover tool. It's in the beta mode yet because it's a new thing and still being developed. So we click on it. Once we click on it, you'll see over here a small timer that keeps going. So it shows the percentage of how much it is done. It will take a bit of time because it's a video after all. Depending on how long your video is and how layered and how difficult the nature of the video, it will take that kind of a time. But yeah, let's see how it does. Okay.
My name is Ovo.
Excellent. Here we have the background removed. Let's see if this works. Now we change the background color or something else, a black color, a green color, whatever color you want to use, you can be using it. Or let's say you do not want to use any color, but you want to use any of the element, graphic, background image. See if you want to use any of these photos. Okay, yeah, select this, send it back. Here it is. Something else. Try something else. Let's try this one as a background. Send it back, and here we have we can also add a video to it, something like this or this, whatever it is. Let's say it's this video that we want to add. Cool. Send to back. And here we have. So the remover tool does the job pretty well. If your background is clean, yes, it's excellent. Your job will be done. But let's also see if this works when the background is a little blurry and a little distorted and a little busy, when you do not have this green background or a white background or a blue background, but you are shooting videos in a natural situation. Does this work? Let's see it for ourselves. So again, go to uploads. Let me see if I have any of my video that I can upload once again. Okay, let me leave the background the way it is and select on edit video and click on background remover here. So over here we can see the percentage of it being done. %. Let's wait for a while and it should be done. %. We'll wait for a little more. So yes, you just need to keep in mind that you have to be in any of the paid plans of Canva. It could be a Canva Pro, it could be Canva for Teams, it could be Canva for educational institutions, for whatever options the Canva provides to be on a paid plan or a pro plan. You can be on any of those plans to be able to use this feature. And yes, if you want this to work really well, the background should be clean, white, green, blue, or any single color background. And that is why, because that is when it does the job really well. Maybe in some time to come, we can see a lot more improvements in this background removing tool, like we have it in the images. But yes, for now, I can do with this my job, or I can do with this. I can work with this. So it's 54%. It's almost 50% done, and 58. As you can understand, being a long video, if you have to do it, it will take a while. You could have cropped it a little. But anyways, 70%, we're all very close to be done. So, by the time we continue waiting, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Feel free to join my Facebook group, where we have the extended community, Canva community, to help you. I will be there to help you. Your colleagues, your friends who are a step ahead of you in Canva can help you all, and you can maybe help others who are a step below you. So that community is gonna be a lot helpful for you. So make sure you join the Facebook group. Make sure that you ask your questions, your queries, share your experiences, share your posts, share your designs, share whatever you are doing on Canva with us in that community. And I would be giving my feedback. I would be sharing how you did and how you can get better. A community is always fun to be in. A community is always a lot of learning where you get. And here we are at 100%. So I think this is just getting processed for a final few seconds. We would be ready. Okay. Real estate agents, whenever it comes to technology, feel that they are not that updated, or they do not have the time to use technology to the maximum. So what you need to do is you need to utilize not the technology but the automation. You need to be smart. You need chatbots, a unified messaging platform. We can use it in any of the pre-recorded training videos that you might have shot. A screen grab of some training that you are giving, some presentation that you are giving. Like this was for another Canva tutorial presentation. Let me have it over here. Let me put this up over here, and I put it in the background, and I have this over here. So I shortened it up. And a lot more. And that's how. All of that at one place called Agent Growth System. Yeah. Okay. So this was one of the things that you could have and you can do using Canva. What more can you do? Let's delete this one and let's see what else can be done using this background removing tool. The second thing that you can do is you can remove the backgrounds from the stock videos. Yes, the job might not be as good as a clean background, but it might do what you want it to do. Let's see for ourselves if we can do it. We go to elements, we open the video canvas screen, screen size. It could be of a video size, it could be of a social media post size. We go to videos and we try to look for some stock videos of let's say videos. Okay, this is one of the stock video with a rather clean background. We play it, we go to edit, we remove the background. Let's see. Okay, well, in this case, no. So the kid penguin got removed somehow. Let's check it out with some other video. How does it work with, let's say, this one. We edit on the video and we click on background removal. Does not do the job very well. Still cannot be used, I would say. So let's wait for maybe improved versions of the background remover tool. Till when you can be you are able to remove the backgrounds from here. But yeah, if the background is clean, if the background is uniform, like say for this one, like say this one, we go to this, see. So now you can use this very well into any of the other videos that you want to, right? You can use it in this. So that's how well the video works. Okay, so that was the second case of how you can use the video removing tool. I hope you like this video, like this new feature of the background removing option that Canva has come up with very recently, and you are going to try to use it. Yes, see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.